Why was Tutankhamun buried in a relatively small tomb compared to other pharaohs? King Tutankhamun was buried in a small tomb due to his unexpected death at a young age, his short reign of about 9 years, and the political turmoil following the reign of his predecessor, Akhenaten. The suddenness of his death left little time to prepare an elaborate tomb, and resources were redirected to restoring traditional practices disrupted by Akhenaten. Consequently, an existing tomb intended for a lesser noble was repurposed for Tutankhamun, reflecting his relatively obscure status at the time. This modest tomb, KV62, was less targeted by tomb robbers, contributing to its remarkable discovery by Howard Carter in 1922. Subscribe our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.